Hey, what's happening, y'all? My name is Bobo, BBB, Atlanta, Georgia, and right now we're about to climb Stone Mountain. It's not too hard, but it's fun if you just like to hike, you know. It's like 1.4 or 5 miles altogether, going up and coming down. So I'm excited. I know you are. It's the bottom. We're at the bottom right now, you know. Stretch, get my legs ready, my body ready, and then boom, I just do it, you know. And sometimes you need water, so you just carry your water. Sometimes. So you're not dehydrated, you know what I mean. I'm here with my guys too, you know, Jojo and Cola Classic, you know. So man, you already here. We out here. So I'm about to just do jump rope real quick for like a minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, and then from there stretch, and then we go.
Nah, everything for your pocket they fall.
Everything no. I should have locked it up. I got zippers too. Hey, yeah, you're too close. There you go.
Yeah, I got one at the crib.
Yeah.
Okay. Make I help you?
Nah, man.
You don't think what I do, man, I try.
Come on.
You go.
Don't hurt yourself, bro.
Come on, do it again,
I don't
forget.
Now
I didn't.
front now. Like this. I show you.
Not like this one?
No.
You can do, I mean, some people do it like that too though.
Like try main start with this first there. There you go. Then you skip front.
Like this
Yeah.
one?
Yeah. Wow. Look, okay. Let me just show you one.
Okay, let me try.
Yeah, you got it. Try. There you go.
Don't jump too hard.
Don't jump too hard.
I think the way my hand is.
Don't. Look.
Hey, use your mind. You gotta get ready.
See.
Yeah.
Just let it go down.
Yeah.
See. Right. And put it behind you. Right. So you just. Then you have to get it right. Like you said.
Get your rhythm right.
Yeah, the rhythm.
Velocity.
Show me how you can do it though.
So put your hand, lay the stuff in your hand like this.
Like it?
So from behind.
See no.
From behind.
No. See how?
How like this? Because you're tall.
So put your hand like this.
Hold your thing like this.
There you go.
But you are putting your hand.
No, but you see I'm holding it at the tip.
Bro, I'm already sweating though. Are you guys sweating already?
Yeah. Come on, like that.
Yeah.
Okay, you ready?
You know what that means.
1,
Alright, there you go.
There you go. Jump like
forward. Don't jump too much.
Don't jump too look.
I think it's a mind thing.
Yeah.
Your mind is pictured on how you've been doing it this whole time.
So, yeah.
You gotta change that. You're doing it wrong, bro.
So I don't need to jump too
You don't have to jump.
Nah, you jump too hard.
Look how much I jump.
You
look how much I
like
jump.
it.
Yeah.
There you go.
I jump.
See?
Yeah, I
You
can.
barely get off the ground. See?
Don't think about it. You think about it too much.
Yeah.
Like it. Then go.
Jump.
There you go.
I'm
Slowly.
jumping too much. I'm jumping too
You
much.
get a couple of practice.
My mind.
I just get my balls, dog. Come on, G. I'm going to do too.
So what music do you do?
I do trap African music. Let that sink in.
So how do you define that?
How do you define that? You just gotta hear it, really. Check me out, Kola Classic. KOLACLASSICK on all platforms. Chuck.
So you headed there. Everyone of all walks of life are going hiking.
Yeah. We live. This is the real hike.
How many minutes is this one? Huh?
Normally takes me like 16, 15 minutes.
16, 15?
But when I'm with people, probably like 30 minutes, 35. So right now, we're timing, so we're gonna see when we get to the top.
I'm timing myself.
So far,
3 minutes so far.
We just getting started too, buddy. Let's go.
I'm gonna be the first one down.
Well, 3 minutes in already, or 4 minutes in. So let's see where we can go.
Right here, like before you get to the top, it's called gum tree. People just take out their gum and just stick it on the tree. It's nasty, but hey, it's hard. I like it. I like to see it. Every time I come here, I'm like, okay, I'm almost at the top. So it gets me going. Like 24.
9 minutes in.
Come on. There you go. Talk to the camera. Let's go. Hey, Jamie. Get him. Let's go.
We made it to the top. So how does it feel?
Alright, feels great. Made it to the top. Feels great.
You made it to the top.
Easy breezy. How you feel?
Good.
Sure?
I'm good.
Feel like you're feeling it.
Yeah, I am. How does it feel?
Give on.
Eh? This day is dark. Oh my god. So now we're done, we're going down. So how was it?
That shit was dope. I was to who? To me or to you?
Well, everybody.
That shit was not my first time, my second time. This is not my 20th time. This is like probably like my close to 100. Yeah.
Nigga, you've done this shit more than a fucking 100 times.
Yeah, with all the boot camp.
Like 1,000 times.
With all the boot camp.
2006.
You think this was easy? Don't do it. Walking for almost 2 hours. 1 hour and